cut just like a knife. Hate to feel like this, but it happens all the